I just don't really understand why people be beefing so hard just to be beefing. Did y'all know they had these? We back. It's gonna be a maintenance video. I need to do my eyebrows. I need to do my lashes. I'm currently doing my nails. I'm just giving myself a feeling. Nothing too crazy. So I did these two hands differently. This one I used like a nail prep thing like they would use in the salon before applying the poly gel, because I wasn't filing my nails, and I didn't do that for some reason on this hand, and these shits just started lifting. We're gonna do that today. I'm just gonna use a clear. I really want to get like a whole, you know, like setup thing, because I have a lot of nail stuff. Okay, just a heads up, this is like a ghetto rigged up situation right here that I'm doing. I just don't feel like getting everything in order to do this, so mind your business. All right, I'm back from the store. Literally went to go get my oil change. That was super duper fast. I was gonna film it, but it's such an enclosed space, and I feel like they're literally talking to you almost the whole time that they're doing it. Like somebody's doing it and somebody's asking you questions. So I was in and out. It was like 10 minutes. So if even that. Take 5 is fire. Okay. Yeah, I got my oil changed, and then I went to the grocery store. I still haven't even put up the stuff that I got from Target yesterday, so I'm about to put that stuff up now, and then I can go ahead and finish my little Forest attacking my leg. Why are you pulling on me, fam? Yeah, so and then I can finish my maintenance video or whatever I'm calling it. I don't know. You gonna help me with the groceries for while you over there? You know. Let me put up this stuff and I'll be right back. Did y'all know they had these at Walmart? Girl, look at this. I don't know when, but I'm trying those. Okay, so I have not done my eyebrows, lashes, and hair yet, but we're gonna get there. I'm sitting down about to turn something on TV, and then I realized, so the shows that I've been watching, right, are the Dragons. I don't remember what the show is called. The spinoff to, I'm about to say Dungeons and Dragons. Lord, I don't even know what that is. Is that a game? Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? I've been watching that. That's really, really good. It's kind of, I mean, I can't say that it's kind of extra because it was extra before, but not this extra. Like the incest is incesting. It's gross. It's gross. It's a lot of gross things happening in this TV show. The king, he's just old and nasty. Okay, not nasty like when he freaky dicky, like he's just old and sick. Nasty looking. I don't know what it is he got, but that look nasty. And then we're watching Dahmer. I was just listening to this on the radio, but they was talking about how people was upset about the Jeffrey Dahmer show, that it was idolizing him, and that they were trying, it was like as if they were trying to gain sympathy for him or something like that. I don't know. 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 I don't know I don't really understand why they have an issue with this TV show, because there are a lot of TV shows like this, documentary style TV shows. I just don't really understand why people be beefing so hard just to be beefing. Like, it's not like it's a new concept, okay? And he did a lot of bad shit. If you're like me, I remember a little bit about Jeffrey Dahmer. Like, I remember that he was bad. I remember that he ate people, but I don't remember anything outside of that. It was interesting to me to watch. I'm not even done with it. So if y'all have any TV show suggestions, let me know, because I'm always looking for something to watch. I'm tired, baby. I'm gonna put on his favorite show so he can come back for a second watch. Lashes, no lashes. Right? Boom. Lashes. How crazy is that? Wait, let me show y'all in some lighting, okay? Feeling like I'm fresh out loose. If they want the drama, got the O's. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard hand for her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pull out $1 million cash, told I plank on it. And you are I need to get you alone. Okay. That's basically it. Eyelashes done. Hair. I mean, I gotta rinse this out, but done. And eyebrows done. So I don't really have a favorite shampoo, conditioner. I just be shampooing and conditioning. Actually, I do have a favorite shampoo and conditioner. A favorite conditioner for sure. But I ran out. And it's by Hair Tip. I'll link her stuff below. Her conditioner is amazing. For a hair mask, this one right here, this, I know y'all can tell, hair looking real luscious. Okay, it feels super duper soft. I didn't do a conditioner right afterwards because I was like, I'm just gonna do a mask anyways. Yeah, I need to put something over my head and then let that marinate. I'll probably let it marinate for a good hour. I'm not even gonna hold you. Maybe less, but you know how we do. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Doing stuff at home is cool. Okay, don't let nobody judge you. I'm not letting nobody judge me. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.